I'm still not gonna give up. I am here live within 10 minutes. I'm live here the fourth time. Thank you, patient. Thank you to everyone out there for keeping so much of patience. Hi, Rahul. Hi again. Hi, Marisa. Hi. Hi, Sonal. Hi, everyone. Thank you for being so patient and having so much of allowance. Yes, actually. Hi, Jigger. Hi, everyone. And here I'm going to wait for Ambika to show up again. Fourth time. Can you guys beat it? Can you guys imagine? But yes, you're not going to give up. Expand, keep expanding, keep expanding. And what massive change, or maybe that the doorway to that change, to that difference in life, is all of us, me and Ambika included, going to receive from today's session. And are we really resisting that? If at all, guys, please push your barriers down. Can you just say with me, along with me, I push all my barriers down, I push all my barriers down, I push all my barriers down until Ambika shows up. So yes, I was talking about the pain points, the series that we had 2 months ago. Men and women. There she is again. Thank you so much, Ambika, for being that patient. I'm not giving up too. Okay, it's about, guys, can you please just give me, if you can hear me, hi again. Barriers down. Expand, expand, expand. Quickly, can you just bring up your question, please?
Okay, so my question was about what would it take for me to have a contributing, expansive, fun and vibrationally compatible relationship where there is no more accommodating, there's no more accepting, which is not, nowhere limiting and shrinking self, and being open to have a lot of fun, joy, contribution that we could be for self
Thank you
and
so
beyond.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jigar, for this contribution. And thank you for your question, Ambika. So, contributing really orgasmic partner of, kind nurturance energy, orgasmic truly, and contribution in every way. Am I correct?
Yep.
Prior to that, all your definitions, Ambika, that you have about adjusting, compromising, not so contributing partners that you have had in the past.
And accommodating more than I would love to.
Exactly. And accommodating all of those definitions that you have associated with these terms that you just said. Will you please not destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, parted, park, online, just voice, and beyond. Can I also ask you to not make yourself wrong for being this amazing, accommodating, adjusting, compromising, etc., that you have been for so many years?
Yes.
It was a choice.
Of course.
It was a choice. Yeah. Maybe.
But now I wish to choose different is why you asked me, why you mentioned it, and I chose it, right?
Correct. And that's why I'm taking you to all those terms that you specifically, categorically brought up here. I am taking you there only. Yeah. Why? Because somewhere, whatever that, even if it's a residual energy of, oh, why did I do that? I am assuming you're a facilitator too. Maybe you're not that energy. But these terms are still there in your universe. Mm-hmm. Accommodating being a bigger one. Accommodating. Right. So everywhere you misidentified, misapplied, accommodating, being a doormat. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, so good, bad,
yes. Absolutely.
So, this reality has its definition of accommodating, right?
Absolutely.
All we do is, we do not ask questions. What is accommodating to me? What is accommodating to me? And we simply just buy the definition of accommodating from this reality. All right, I chose that then. And thank you to each one who showed me what accommodating is. Whether it's your parents, your mom, dad, your in-laws, your husband, your children, anybody and everybody. Can I now give you a home play here?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Make a list of all those people who you accommodated in your universe, you have been accommodating with, and they were not, they really did not come to what you had expected from them. They did not fall up to your expectation. The list may have one person, 5 people, 10, 50, 100. Just make that list.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. And then destroy and uncreate your relationship with each one of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Everywhere, remotely also, if you have made yourself wrong for being accommodating for so many years, what has it actually paid me? What has it actually given and created me in my life? All of those definitions, all of those inventions, all of those lies, will you please now revoke, recanvass, and renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pardon, park, online, shots, boys, and beyonds. So here, with this question, I'm just taking you back to your question and actually pulling out the limitations and those icky areas which are probably hiding there. So we
Yeah.
kind of, we have done this work. So we have gone, oh, we have taken care of this. If there
Right.
is certain icky area which is like sneaking in there, all the Shiku implants and all the distractor implants, maintaining those Shiku implants and the Mobius strips, being maintained by quantum particulates. Will you please now revoke, recanvass, and renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate for all eternity?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So can you for me now ask, what gift is my accommodating that I have not acknowledged yet?
Yes.
Does this resonate with you? Does this question resonate with you?
Oh yes. Oh yes. In fact, yeah, the awareness strikes.
What
It
gift
is
of
definitely about
me?
everything, about choosing greater. It is about evolving from what you've been to what you are. It is about expanding the reality from where you function to what greater choices and possibilities are showing up and could eventually. It's all about evolution, I believe. Yes. And had
And
I
what is the
not been
by
that, it wouldn't have been here.
correct? And you know the byproduct of this? Greatness. Being the greatness of you, which shows all of by itself.
Yes.
Which shows all of by itself as if each of the layers have peeled off, and the greatness of you just kind of emerges without any
Yes.
effort.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Without any effort. That's
So
so true.
without any effort. So all of those things that now you actually precisely would like to see in your partner. Second home plate. Will you please make the list of that too?
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. See? So whatever, everything that came up. Because first you have to know, okay, what does this contributing, caring, nurturing, whatever means to me. Not any reference points from anybody else's relationship. Not any reference points from your own past. What does kindness mean to me? What does nurturance means to me? What does being the 5 elements of intimacy means to me? What does actually intimacy mean to me? And everywhere I am choosing to not be the 5 elements of intimacy with my own self. So everywhere you're not choosing to be the 5 elements of intimacy with your own self, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pardon, power, call 9, shows, boys, ambience. That's a little big, huh, Ambika? I'm sure you also got that
Yes.
because my breath told me.
Yes.
So, what judgments, agendas, inventions, and lies are you using to create the dominance of evil equals to MC square of other times, other lifetimes, other dimensions when you had given up being the 5 elements of intimacy with your own self? The honoring, the gratitude, the kindness, the vulnerability. And then one more, trust. That's a big one.
Huge.
That's a big one. And you gave up being that to your own self across dimensions, time, and spaces that now, even in this lifetime, you are running a program on a non-stop mode. Will you like to put a stop right away? Would you choose to?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So the Mobius strip of that trust is running, not trusting you, and hence you cannot trust anyone outside. Can you put a stop to that?
Yes.
Yeah. Everything that doesn't allow, will you please destroy and untreat it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot and pork, all nine shots per sentence. So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mysteries, and possibilities can you be to be this magical acknowledgement and embodiment of elements of intimacy with your own self, with your own body, that you totally truly be for all eternity? Everything that doesn't allow, will you please destroy and untreat it all?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys, and beyonds. Yeah, and all the past reference points of what a relationship has been like, looked to you, you created vis-a-vis what you had expected, what it must have looked like, what it should have been. Again, based on certain people's point of view. Would you please now revoke, recant, rescind, renounce, destroy, and uncreate for all eternity? Just wipe your slate totally out with no reference points at all for all eternity.
Yep.
Everything that is, will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys, and beyonds. Everyone's reality with relationship is different. Yes, there are certain basic pillars to it, which is non-negotiable. Kindness is one of them. Honoring is one of them. Yeah. Vulnerability is one of them, correct? And trust. Yeah. So these are the 4 pillars which are non-negotiable. Would you like to go and see in all those places where I negotiated with all of these 4 pillars, which are the very core requirement for a relationship to work and thrive? And everywhere I did that, in whatever state of unconsciousness and anti-consciousness that I chose to operate out of it, then I now destroy and uncreate it all. Would you? Would you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys, and beyonds. So now tell me, what is it that you are sensing in your body right now, and where?
Heart.
Yes, what is it in your heart?
And stomach.
Okay. Are you willing to go out of control? Whatever it requires, whichever way it requires?
Yep.
You sure? You
Yes.
sure? No? Not 100%?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes? Totally out of control? And out of control, okay, universe, show me what it is like to be out of control in my life and in a relationship, in an intimate relationship. But for that, first you got to be out of control with your own self. Yeah. So all of those definitions, the control points, the significances that you have given to yourself, to the relationships that you have had in your life, and all the associations. Will you please now revoke, recant, rescind, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate for all eternity now? I travel wrap, pardon, power, all night, shows, voice, and beyond. So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mysteries, and possibilities can you and your body be to be out of control, out of definition, out of limitation, out of firm structure significances, out of linearities, out of concentricities, out of stratifications, out of structural cohesiveness in regards to all the relationships that you have had so far, and the most important relationship that you have with your own self for all eternity. Everything that doesn't allow, will you please destroy and untreat it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pardon, power, all nine, shots, boys, and beyonds. Now tell me what's happening around your heart area and your stomach area.
Much in ease.
It is?
In ease, much ease though.
Much ease.
Right.
So can I ask you, on a scale of 0 to 10, when 10 was supposed to be the most intensity and 0 is none, where is it right now?
Between 1 and 2.
Between 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay. And earlier, probably it was at?
Sorry?
Earlier, what was the number?
It was around 7, 8.
7, 8. So now this 1 and 2, right? Now my question to you is, Ambika, would you want to let this 1 or 2 go right away? Or would you allow this 1 and 2 to also bring in the awareness that's required for you for the future creation?
Definitely the awareness required.
So now I ask you to use this 1 and 2, whatever. This is maybe very slight uneasiness that could be there. And please use this 1 and 2 number of uneasiness that is still there. I am willing to receive what am I required to be and do to create a relationship which has this, your long list, which is one of your home place. For what you want in your relationship is different for what other person wants. Everyone's list is going to be different.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So I want you to be very crystal clear about what exactly do you want now with your relationship, which probably you have not done before in any of your past relationships. Yeah? And one more thing, it might just put you to, little laziness, sleepiness. Yes, because you have never done this before. And you are making yourself present to actually what you truly desire. So you might slip into that sleepy zone. Yeah? Wake yourself up. Get yourself back. No, I am doing this no matter what. In the first stance, people would want to give it up. Sure, now who is going to write? I know what I want. No. So yes, we all know what we want. Yet when you write it, you make it your reality 40%. Out of the 100%, you ensure its occurrence by 40%. Why? Because writing is a subconscious activity.
Absolutely.
So as much as it may make you sleepy, make you lazy, make you want to give up, your commitment is going to make you. Yeah. So this is what I want you to do. Now, everything that you look for in the other person, the future partner, all of those attributes. This is the third home play. Please take it down. I may not remember. You might want to watch this again, Ambika, and everyone here who is watching or would be watching it later. Please take the note of the home plays that have been said on the call. The third home play would be all of those attributes and those things that I so desire to see in my partner, that I so desire to have a partner having all of this. what is it that I do have out of this list, and what are those that I don't? Where am I not being? Where am I refusing to be this attribute that I am lacking it in me? And so, to fulfill my lack, I look it outside. And everywhere you're doing that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, part and park, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. If, for example, anybody is looking for love, everybody's looking for love, right? Guys, please get it. The bottom line, the underneath current is that you don't have it. You look for something, you strive for something, you desire for something which you are not having. And to have something, what is required is being that. When am I refusing to be love? Love is just an example, huh? I'm just taking this as an analogy. So
And
guys,
it has
whatever
a
that you
100 and maybe more definitions for each to their own.
absolutely,
Right?
absolutely. So, what is love to you? Yeah, and yes, each one of you want you to write what is love to you beyond all those mushy romantic Yashraj films, guys. That's not love, by the way. It's absolutely not love. So, what
Yes.
love is actually that kindness, that nurturance, that caring energy that you be and you aspire to have in your life that someone gives you. But first, you got to be for yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's important. And
So,
I am requesting everybody watching it to actually know it and be it. Right? I'm so glad that I put it up because I know so many people here and the ones who will be watching later would be looking for love, but love is definitely everything else but what we ever expected it to be. That's what,
correct.
right?
Absolutely. And so, you look for something that you're missing in your own self, right? Can somebody from outside fulfill it for you? Never. So, the another two tips or home plays or tools, whatever you consider, where am I refusing to be that energy for myself and my
Yes.
body? Yeah, that question. But when I'm giving a question here, I'm asking not to get your answers, guys. Keep asking that question, till you get that mic drop awareness. Oh my God, this is where I judge myself heavily when I'm not doing something right. Is that love and kindness?
True.
That mic drop moment is your awareness. So allow that to be registered. And then the last tool of the day, anything and everything that you are wanting, guess what? You're lacking. That's why you're wanting. Including love, including money, including whatever. So the tool of the day is, and the highlight of this Insta Live is, I don't want whatever that is. I don't want love. I don't want money. I don't want a partner. I don't want this. Everything that you're wanting, start saying, I don't want. Okay, that's one of the tools. Now, how it works, why it works, guys, it works. Now, for the detail of this, you'll have to probably join one of my programs because that is where we extensively talk about it. What does this mean? Ambika, you know it, right? People who have done Access Consciousness, they know what I don't want, fill in the blank. Yeah. So, yes, on that note, Ambika, is there anything that you would like to ask further?
Ask, I mean, I'll keep asking, that's a different thing. And I know I shall be receiving. In between, these are actions coming from you and whenever it's resonating. So all I could say was, what would it take for all of us to be that energy of love for ourselves, to create the partners or the relationships, not just the partners. Relationships are with our families, with our children, with our colleagues, with our friends. So every relationship to be contributing and nurturing energy for expansion of self and all involved. What would it take?
And self first. So when I asked you what more would you like to ask, was in context to this particular question. Have I Have I been able to contribute to you in regards to your
Yes,
question?
my
that
love,
had
you are
brought?
always a contribution. I'm sorry I'm interrupting before you even finishing the sentence because you have been a contribution to me like from day one of me entering into Access Consciousness. Love you for what you are and you've been. And thanks so much for being in my universe. You've always been a contribution, like I said. Thank you
Always.
so much. And
Thank you
thank you
so much,
everybody
Ambika,
who
for
has been here. Yeah.
and always having your back, Ambika. Know that, and you know that. I know that. Yeah, I
I
know
know
that.
that
You know
too.
that.
I know that you
Thank
know
you
that
so
too.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
good.
much for bringing up your question, Ambika, because I'm sure it's contributed to a lot of people there. And there are a lot
I'm
of
sure of
tools,
it.
guys, a lot of home plays that I've given. Yes, home plays, there's no evasion to home plays. Please get it. If you're not wanting to do the home play, please know you are avoiding something. You are shoving something under the carpet that you don't want to look at. So you got to be to have something which is obstructing. You got to be clearing the obstruction on the energy level. All right. Thank you
True.
so much. It was
Agreed.
so much fun. Thank you so much,
Likewise.
Ambika, for playing along.
Thank you. It was
And
fun for me too. Bye. Thanks
and
again.
bye. And once more, just a moment. If anyone who wants to, we have 6 spots available still. And since we have committed right now for 8 weeks, it might get extended to 12 weeks. These gift Saturdays, the pain points with your burning question. If any of you, men, women, children, whosoever, want to come on Insta Live with me, want to play along how Ambika did, and would
Can I
like to
say
have
something before
clarity,
you end?
please
Sorry.
bring in your question. Sorry?
Can I say something before you end?
Please.
Guys,
Yeah.
whoever sees this later, whoever is seeing it now, I can vouch by the awareness and the contribution that this beautiful being is. Please use this opportunity, change your lives for whatever, wherever you're stuck. It works and she's magic. And so are you. Yes.
And so are you.
I am.
Yeah. So all of Ambika's friends who probably are here, or maybe Ambika, you can just invite them on the WhatsApp group. We'll share the link with you. And all they have to do is bring up a nice burning question, generative question, which will contribute many more, So thank you so much. You can invite Ambika, and whosoever is here and not probably on my friends list or whatever, you can just send me a text with your question. If you are choosing to be on the hot seat, we'll add you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sweetie. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.